In this video, we will show you how to change the differential fluid on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. You can find the right differential fluid on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Jeep Grand Cherokee safely. And if your Grand Cherokee is equipped with quadra-lift air suspension, you want to watch it. This will avoid damaging your suspension system. Activate the jack mode. For this kind of operation, it is important to always start by unscrewing the filler hole plug, because if it remains stuck after draining the fluid, the vehicle will be immobilized. Lift the front and rear of your vehicle, allowing your Jeep Grand Cherokee to be level so that you can remove the entire fluid. Unscrew the filler hole plug using a ratchet, an extender, and an 8mm Allen socket. Start the process with the ratchet and finish it off by hand. Place a fluid collection tray under the differential to catch the differential fluid that will flow out. Unscrew the drain plug using a ratchet and an 8mm Allen socket. Start the process with the ratchet and finish it off by hand. Be careful on the last few turns, the fluid can squirt suddenly. Let the fluid run out for about 10 minutes. Using a small hook, remove the rubber O-rings. Then clean with paper towels. Take the new O-rings. Install the O-rings on the plugs. Lightly coat the seal with oil on the screwed side. Now you can screw the drain plug back on. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Now you need to add fluid back into the differential. This step must be done with care and precision. You can order the differential fluid used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Then, using an oil syringe or a bottle with a filling spout, fill the differential until the fluid overflows from the hole, indicating that you have added enough fluid to the differential. Now you can screw the filler cap back on. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Clean up the fluid that overflowed the differential. Put your vehicle back on the ground. If your Grand Cherokee is equipped with quadra-lift air suspension, you can now turn off the jack mode. Operation complete.